Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called PixelFree and this is the best low-code mobile web app builder. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get your extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards. Now talking about the features and the options that it provides are quite impressive. Now on the left side of your screen, first we have this get started section from where you can get an idea about the platform. Now you can also import from Figma projects. So I myself am a user of Figma and you can import your Figma files onto your PixelFree Studio to build your, let's say, mobile apps, and that could really open gate for different type of possibilities. So something that you should try out. Now it have containers. So basically if you are not a developer and have no idea about that, containers are basically different section in development which are going to be using to create different type of sections on mobile apps. So like for example your H boxes, V boxes, grid pane, and all that stuff is basically offered in this platform. Now this is a guide about the platform and what it has to offer, so it is literally worth it. You should try this out. We have our typography options, we have media, forms, property panels, and much more to offer. So make sure to give it a try. But still, let's say if you are unsure about the platform and want to know what people say about it and the features in a written manner, you can go through these all of the reviews and feedbacks. The ultimate software for all developers, amazing software. I love user interface, extremely user friendly and easy to use, and much more. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description that is going to be letting you to have extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.